Hello, this is Markus from 2Onelab and I welcome you to the Formnext 2024. So first, this is the 2Create 3D metal printer. It has a building platform of 100 mm and printing height of 100 mm, and it has a unique circulating coating concept which takes the powder with the circulate movement from the powder reservoir to the building platform. As a full solution provider of 3D metal hardware, of course, we have not only our printers, we have also our CAM software, the 2Build. CAM software to build is a unique tool where you can load your 3D files, nest it, generate the supports, make the slicing and apply the strategy. So this is our new 2Create Plus, a bigger metal printer which has the same form factor than the small one, but it can print parts up to 150 to 150 millimeters. We are also very happy to introduce on this Formnext the new Glow Group 200 Plus, which is a perfect solution for post-processing, for heat treatment of your printed parts, especially for very big parts. Of course, we will not give you a solution for printing, we give you also a solution for everything around. That means we can provide you with a nitrogen generator, a very simple, compact design. We have our unique small sieving system where you can sieve reactive and non-reactive materials directly after you're printing it. And of course, we have our wonderful 2Clean vacuum cleaner. So it's an explosion-safe vacuum cleaner in combination with a cyclone separator where you can collect all the rest powders from the printer, all the dust, and also feed the powder directly back to the printer and start printing again.
We from 2Onelab would like to thank all our customers and partners for an amazing year 2024. Additionally, we could develop new dental and medical applications which we would like to present on the next IDS and Formnext. We had an amazing year 2024. It was only possible with you, our customers and partners. I hope to see you all 2025 on all our events. Thank you very much.